Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So, in today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue with Samsung washing machine, the control panel not working. So, if you are facing the problem, you are in the right place. So, let's get started. Firstly, understand why the control panel might be not working. So, it could be due to a power issue, problem with the control board, or fault button. So, we will walk you through each possible issues and how to fix it. So, the first step is check the power supply. Ensure that the washing machine is properly plugged into the power supply. And check that the power supply is working correctly. And check your home circuit breaker or fuse box to see if there are a power issue. So, if the power issue is the power supply is fine, move on the next step. Before moving, also check that the power supply is working correctly and the cable cord is not damaged from anywhere. Also, you can switch off the power board and unplug the power cable of the washing machine and then re-plug in it back. And then again switch on your washing machine and press the power button to switch on your washing machine. So, now we move to our next step. To control the control board is a brain of your washing machine. If it's fault, the control panel might not work. So here's how you can fix it. The first thing, you can unplug the washing machine from the power supply and then locate the control board, and usually you can find at the back side of your control panel. And check for any visible sign of damage such as burn mark or the burn capacitor. Also check if there is no cut on your wire by a mouse or other things. So if you found any damage, you will need to replace the control board. Step 3. Check the buttons. So sometimes a single button might be causing the issue. So here's how you can fix it. Firstly, unplug the washing machine and then press each button on the control panel to see if any issue is here or not. And after that, plug the washing machine back in and try using the control panel again. So, if none of the above steps work, it's best to call a professional technician. They can diagnose and fix the problem effectively and safely. Remember, trying to fix electrical appliances without proper knowledge can lead to serious injuries. So you can simply contact the Samsung customer care for further assistance. You can using a call or a live chat to connect with them. After that, they will send an engineer at your home within 24 to 48 hours. So be patient. After that, they will examine your washing machine and find the bug and fix it. So, and that's it. We hope this video was helpful to you. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.